This plant is a plasma proteins manufacturing facility. We have at the moment at least 2 trucks a day, every day, delivering plasma, and we fractionate that plasma into proteins that are required to make life-saving medicines. The global impact is supplying our life-saving medicines around the world. We here are making intermediates that go to our plants in Broadmeadows and our plants in Bern in Switzerland, in Marburg in Germany. This has given us a wonderful opportunity to really expand our base fractionation capability here and to really grow our workforce and to grow our skilled workforce here in the community. We recently completed the purchase of the Bungie facility at the end of January this year. That's really going to give us the footprint for the future. It gives us land right next door to our property to really expand and to really be an important part of this community for many years to come.